Kabuan, sabi na po yung mga ating kuya natin. Ay mga kuya.
Doon sila.
Kuya, pagkinanayin mo rin.
Yan, pin na po ng ating mga kuya, new kuya ng Grand Villamor Eagles Club, Overland Region and Eastern Rizal Region 4.
Maglalagay muna ako.
Hello kuya, congratulations po sa inyo. Congratulations po sa inyo.
Ate, hindi ka makakatulog.
Sa kanan, ate, kanan.
Saan yung nakusina kuya?
Yun. Yan. Kaya po si Kuya John Perez. Congratulations Kuya John. Yan. Si Kuya Leo. Yan. Pin po di Kuya Pres kay Kuya Leo. Congratulations. Congratulations Sir John. Kuya John. Kuya Leo, congrats. Yan. Ito na. Ito pa, dalawa kuya. Pa-congrats natin. Kuya Buni, congratulations. Yan. Congrats. Kuya. Kuya Perdi, congrats. Kuya, congrats. Yan, Kuya. Asan si Kuya? Congratulations Kuya. Yan, from kay Kuya Joseph Pocson ng ating governor ng Eastern Rizal Region 4. Yan. Opo, Ate Des. Congratulations Ate Des. Oh. Yan. Alright, congratulations. Oo. Dito muna yung apat na yung anim. Kuya, dito kayo, pipicturean. Ay, ate. Dito kayo, dito. Kuya Leo, Kuya John. Picture dito. Ito. Yeah, picture. Ate, picture. Sama naman ako sa picture. Kasi Kuya Vice. Kaya po, masaya lahat. Ate Sophie, halika rito.
Si Kuya Vice, sumama sa gitna ako.
Kasi Kuya Vice. Nawawala. Baka nag-CR. Yan, dito. Oh, pila.
Ate, sa ikaw na lang. Wala si Kuya Vice.
Ate Sophie, ikaw na lang. Hindi ka rito. Picture tayo.
One.
Bilis na, tawag po kung pila na tayo.
Okay na, sama na. Ay, hindi ka makikita. Layo mo. Side. Sige.
Okay, ready.
Balik na po sa kanya-kanyang pwesto.
Alright, thank you. Ito pa kay Kuya Pres.
Wala si Vice eh.
Baka nag-ano sa Kuya Ker.
Sa inyong pwesto.
Ate Sophie.
Okay,
Yan. Ate Sophie, halika dito. Lumabas yata si Kuya Ker, nag-ano yata. Yan, okay. Naka-live ako ate din. Ayan o. Hello. Shout out Kuya Noel, dito siya ate.
Nag-ano na sila. Ay, tanong tayo sila.
Habang ang ating oras sa
Muna po sa pwesto.
Okay, balik na po. Balik na.
Hey!
Yan, yung chapter na.
Kaya gumiwa yung...
Okay. For the next event, I will call our presiding officer na hindi na po makakatayo. Kaya natawag ko lahat ng mga governors na sa ating kulang VIP. Dahil po tayo magtitayo at welcome po natin ang mga bago. Kuya, alay po natin. Pwede na po tayo. Welcome po. Let us now proceed to the traditional handshake. Take a seat. After po yan, yung mga regular member po, pwede po kayo bumaway. Sige po, pumili na po kayo dyan. All regular members. Sige po.
Tara, regular member to. Sunod tayo. Kuya, kuya pa na. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations. Congratulations, kuya. Ate, congratulations po. Congratulations, ate. Congratulations. Congratulations po, kuya. Congrats. Yan. Kuya, congrats. Congrats. Congratulations, kuya. Kuya, congratulations. Congratulations po, kuya. Congratulations po, ate. Hello, ate. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Congratulations. Hi, ate. Congratulations po. Congratulations, kuya. Wow. Hi, kuya. Congratulations. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, kuya. Yan. Kuya, congratulations. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations, kuya. Yan. Congratulations po, kuya. Ate. Congratulations. Kuya, congratulations. Yan. Hello, kuya. Congratulations po. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations po, kuya. Hello, kuya. Congratulations. Congratulations po. Yan. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations, kuya. Hi, kuya. Congratulations. Congratulations, kuya. Yan. Wow, ang dami kong mga kuya at mga kapatid. Kuya, congratulations. Yan, oh. Kuya, congratulations. Kuya Buni, congrats. Hello, kuya, congrats. Yan. Kuya, congrats. Hi, kuya, congrats. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations po. Congratulations, kuya. Hello, ate. Si ate. Yan. Congratulations po, kuya. Yan. Congratulations po. Kuya, congrats. Yan, kaparap kuya Gob Joseph Okson. Yan. Kuya, congratulations. Hello, kuya. Congrats. Congratulations, kuya. Ate, I love you. Hello, kuya. Congrats. Congratulations po. Yan. Talaga naman. Yan. Yun. Kuya, congrats. Congratulations. Congratulations, kuya. Yan, congrats po. Congrats. Congrats. Congrats, kuya. Kuya Leo, I love you. Congrats. Kuya, congrats. Congrats po. Congrats, kuya. Congrats, kuya. Talaga naman. Power, power. Power. Congrats. Hello, ate. Kuya. Congratulations, kuya. Congratulations po, kuya. Yan. Hello, kuya. Congratulations. Congratulations, kuya. Kuya John, I love you. Congrats. Yan, from Grand Villamor Eagles Club. Yan, kuya. Congrats. Yan. Congrats, kuya. Congrats. I love you sa inyo lahat. Kuya ko, congrats. Congrats po, kuya. Congrats. Yan. Congrats, kuya. Yan. Congrats po, kuya. Power tayo, power. Congrats. Congrats, kuya. Congrats.
Thank you, kuya.
Congratulations, kuya. Yan. Ang dami kong mga kuya ngayon, no? Gwapo, ah. Congrats, kuya. Congrats. Yan. Talaga naman. Congrats, kuya. Congrats. Kuya, congratulations po. Congratulations po, kuya. Yan. Hello, I love you all. Yan siya, kuya.
Kuya ngayon natin.
Kuya, congrats. Congrats po. Hello, ate. Congrats. Yan. Kuya, congratulations. Congratulations po, kuya. Hello, ate. Congratulations po. Sister. Hello, kuya. Congrats. Yan. Congratulations, kuya. I love you all. Kuya, congrats. Talaga naman. Maliwanag. Congrats, kuya. Congrats. Opo. Congrats, kuya. Congrats. Congrats po. Congrats, kuya. Kuya, congrats. Yan. Talaga. Kuya, congratulations. Yan. Power. Alright. Talaga naman. Yeah. Sarap. Yan. Galing, galing. Alright, power. Lahat po ng mga kuya ngayon ay nakamayan namin. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Talaga naman, successful lahat. Yan. Kuya Pres. Right. Ayos.
Okay? Mga kuya.
Bigla ka na nawala. Nawala ka bigla. Si ate tuloy umiiyak.
Kunting tulong sa kawantin, ha? Sige, kunting na lang po. Ito po yung ating mga para nalo tayo. Ayan. Ganyan. Luwag.
Pero yung mamaya picturean mo kayo.
Okay, kunting katayin ka po. Mga
Wait
kuya
lang.
mga natin.
Skigit na.
Opo.
Declared National President of the Federal Order of Eagles, that's Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Kuya Ronald M. De Los Santos, represented by Kuya Edward S. Mandri, Eagle 2005, Eagle Club, the three Eagle Club of Quezon City Splendor Bagwis Eagle Club, BCDS Executive Eagle Club, and the creation of Masigasig Crusader Lady Eagle Club have undergone and completed the mandatory online seminars given by the Philippine Eagle Institute of Leadership on August 31, 2025 at Aberdeen Court Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City, Philippines. According to and on behalf of the Philippine Eagle Institute of Leadership, I hereby recommend that a charter grant be granted to be bestowed upon said Quezon City Splendor Bagwis Eagle Club, BCDS Executive Eagle Club, and the creation of Masigasig Crusader Lady Eagle Club, and a petition to the Federal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, be accepted, and that the name of the charter grant and officers and members be inscribed in the charter grant. Kuya MP?
Field Director, please read the text of the charter grant.
The Federal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, first Philippine-born fraternal social civic organization, service is strong brotherhood, Quezon City, Philippines. Charter grant. no ornament may dispresent the Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, a fraternal scientific organization duly established pursuant to its constitution and bylaws, adopted and ratified at Quezon City, Philippines on 7 July 1979 as an amendment and now part of the Eagle Constitution of 2024, hereby grant and give the right of organization to Quezon City Splendor Pag-ibig Eagle Club, located at Quezon City, Philippines, and hereby bestow all rights and privilege and impose all duty and obligation to the said Eagle Club under the ethics and guidelines of the Eagle Constitution of the Philippine Eagles. Charter Officer Eagle Franco Q. Tenorio, President. Eagle Manolito Iceman Cabali, Vice President. Eagle Ferdinand P. Santos, Secretary. Eagle Ronaldo Jr. M. Ramas, Treasurer. Eagle Federico Elano, Auditor. Eagle Wilson C. Belena, Information Officer. Eagle Rufus Lambert D. Pieda, Protocol Officer. Eagle Brian B. Mercado, Protocol Officer. Eagle Lester Kayan Karan, Protocol Officer. Eagle Enrique Santos P. Casal, Peace Officer. Eagle Sir Alan C. De Leon, Peace Officer. Eagle A. Ariban Milinis, Peace Officer. Eagle Alison B. Arlos, Third Chairman. Eagle Ferdinand B. Santos, Tribunal and People's Chairman. Regional Assemblyman. Eagle Wilson C. Pilena. Eagle Lester F. Garay. Eagle Frederick S. Lang. Alternate Regional Assemblyman. Eagle Rufus Lambert Pieda and Ronaldo Llamas Jr. And charter member administered by the law, that advisor, Eagle Jared T. Ilagan. Sponsoring club, Taguig City Splendor Eagles Club. Given the 31st day of August 2025 at Aberdeen Court, 20 Eastern Hotel, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Eagle Ronald F. De Los Santos, National President, Eagle 2025. Addressed by Eagle Alan O. Corpus, Secretary General, Eagle 2025. Eagle Maximo Dondon Ayuri, Technical Director, Eagle 2025. Eagle Gerald T. Ilaga, Charter Governor, National Capital Region 118. With food and wood hotel concurrent, Eagle Franco Q. Tenorio, Charter President, Quezon City Splendor Pag-ibig Eagle Club. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, first Philippine-born fraternal scientific organization, service to the strong brotherhood, charter grant, no amendments by this present, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, the Fraternal Scientific Organization duly established pursuant to its constitution and bylaws, adopted at Quezon City, Philippines on 7th day of 1979, and now part of the Eagle Constitution, hereby grant and give the right of organization to BCDS Executive Eagle Club, located at Pasig City, Metro Manila, and hereby of all rights and privilege, and impose all duty and obligation to said Eagle Club under the ethics and guidelines of Constitution of Philippine Eagles. Counter Officer, President, Eagle Pastor R. Sumastre. Vice President, Eagle Vladimir A. Esteron. Secretary, Eagle Eugene Rocky C. Torre. Treasurer, Eagle Juni C. Cuyog. Auditor, Eagle Fernando C. Duenas. Public Information Officer, Eagle Pepon M. Tuyag, Eagle Winston S. Pimentel, and Eagle Jason H. Dakar. Protocol Officer, Eagle Rodolfo Brian Isquera, Eagle Elpidio Argandara. Peace Officer, Eagle Alex S. Alayon, Eagle Jerry S. Dacalos, and Eagle Joker O. Meneses. Chairman, Eagle Vicente H. Cuyog, Third Officer, Eagle Abner P. Tagaro, Eagle Antonio P. Caspoña, and Eagle Crystal E. Tantiglao. Opening Chairman, Eagle Jojo L. Nases. Tribunal Vice Chairman, Eagle Omar L. Canapia. Regional Grievance Officer, Eagle Ramil L. Abulancia. Regional Assemblyman, Eagle Nazario P. Rivera, Eagle John A. Felix, Eagle Jose Felix Arpalili. Alternate Regional Assemblyman, Eagle Raimundo A. Vargas, and Engineer E. Ramos Jr. All chapter women may go. Rob Advisor, Eagle Elisa T. Bungabong. Sponsoring Club, Maagap Sentinel Eagles Club. Event 31 day of August 2025 at Aberdeen Court, Wake Eastern Hotel, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Ronald F. De Los Santos, National President for Eagle Year 2025. Attested by Eagle Anan O. Corpus, National Secretary General. Eagle Maximo C. Adri, Executive Director. And Eagle Elsa C. Bungabo, Regional Governor of NCR. We put and other concurrence, Eagle Pastor R. Tomastre. Charter President, DCDS Executive Eagle Club. The Paternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippines is incorporated, first between warm paternal organization, service, and strong brotherhood. The creation grant to all women by this present, this Paternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippines is incorporated, a paternal social civic organization duly established, constitution and bylaws, adopted by and ratified at Quezon City on 7th July 1979 as amended and now part of the Eagle Constitution, thereby grant and give the right of privilege to Masigasi Crusader Lady Eagle Club under the umbrella of Masigasi Crusader Eagle Club. Creation Grant Officer, President, Lady Eagle, Helen A. Inagor. Vice President, Lady Eagle Maya Abigail F. Francia. Secretary, Lady Eagle Maylene of Caldera. Treasurer, Lady Eagle Tracy P. Agana. Auditor, Lady Eagle Marisa Postiniano. Information Officer, Lady Eagle Rosana Y. Nang, and Lady Eagle Alexis Paldi W. T. Health Chairwoman, Lady Eagle Josephine L. Tan. Protocol Officer, Lady Eagle Marilyn R. Montemayor, and Michelle Lee Vasquez, and last, Lady Eagle Dominatul Bigwi. Peace Officer, Lady Eagle Liberty Payeroso, Lady Eagle Rowena Conchero, and Lady Eagle Lilibet Ibarra. Chapter member and Major Payogo, Sponsoring Club, Masigasig President Eagle Club. Given this 31st of August 2025 at Alphabet Hall, Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Eagle Ronald F. Dos Santos, National President. Attended by Eagle Alan O. Corpus, Secretary General. Eagle Maximo Tontonalui, Executive Director. And Eagle Marlon MP, Charter Governor of National Capital Region, 3rd District. With whom I want to congratulate to Eagle, Helen A. Inagor, Club President of Masigasig President Lady Eagle Club. Okay, for the turnover of our charter that went forward, our chief of staff, Kuya Elsa Bungabong, presented by our chief of our Kuya MP, and Kuya Karen, and Kuya Wilpi, and Kuya Noah. Okay po? To witness the handover and turnover of charter grant. However, our chief of staff and the sponsoring region. The blood council president who received the charter grant immediately placed a praise on his friends and then passed in all to the rest of the charter member who received the report of his early to the blood council president. And passed to the secretary, Sir Piladas, want to see the charter grant for safe giving. Wow. Mga kuya, ate, punto, second ticket. Yes, I welcome. Our new ticket is grant. With the pandemic, over the years, both created. Eagle National President of the Pataluan Eagle Das Philippines Incorporated, Kuya Nicola Ekmandi, we humbly present to you the proposed charter officer of newly organized the Splendor, Quezon City Splendor Eagle Club, the PCGS Executive Eagles Club, and the creation of Higashi Crusader League Account duly affiliated to the Federal Automobiles Trust Division Incorporated. Okay.